Hi there, I'm Nelson from MonitorBM. From time to time, we will need to edit or delete PC bookings for a customer in Web Administrator. In this tutorial, we will go through the process of editing an existing booking for a customer, then deleting a booking that is no longer required. To edit an existing reservation, start by logging into Web Administrator using your administrator credentials. In the left-hand control panel, select the reservation option and then click on Management. Now, in the main screen, we ensure that the correct site and location are selected. Now we select the date that the existing booking has been made on. Here we see that the customer has reserved a computer from 7 to 8 a.m. To edit this booking, we simply click on the reservation tile and click the Edit button in the pop-up pane below. We are now ready to edit the reservation. Let's go ahead and put this booking back by 1 hour. Once we have the updated times in there, we select Finish and we get a confirmation that the desired changes have been made to the booking. This will be emailed to the customer if their email address is on record in the LMS. We can also print a physical copy of this confirmation for the customer if needed. If we wish to delete a reservation, it's the same process as what we have just seen. We simply choose our site location and the applicable reservation date. Again, we click on the reservation tile, and in the pop-up pane below, we click the Delete button. You will be asked to confirm that deletion. Once confirmed, we can see that the unwanted reservation has now been deleted. That completes the tutorial for editing and deleting a reservation. Thanks for tuning in.